We're going to open with a slight gap to the downside, and if considering settle, the gap will be around 10 points. So overnight inventory got early liquidation and now is balancing through basically entire overnight session, so not that skewed to the short side, but net short. Yesterday also the last move was to the downside, so if we are going to correct this move, it's to the upside, and I will be monitoring if we can get inside yesterday's range. First area that is interesting is going to be yesterday's open, this pullback high from overnight, and yesterday's pullback low. If we can get higher, then the next area is going to be those hidden singles from yesterday in L period, and also overnight high, and also I think it was point of control around overnight all-time highs. So if we create an excess here, I will be shorting same earlier here, and if we can get above this area, I'm not sure if I can enter on a pullback long either here. Well, maybe, since we will be back inside yesterday's range, so it will depend on the initiative move. So if we create an impulsive move to the upside and the volume will be confirming the move, I'll be trying to get long, and if we make an excessive move to the upside, like for example this on negative delta, then I will be fading first this area, then this area. I'm not sure if I will fade all-time highs early on, but it depends what will develop. If we break below overnight low, then I think the gap might be filled today, and I will be monitoring this area, which is also weekly view up, and this low volume node. If we can pause here and for example fail to fill the gap, then it will be a good opportunity to enter longs targeting yesterday's low. If we can get into yesterday's range, it depends if we create an excess or not, but maybe I will start drawing. So first negative scenario is, for example, move lower and we either fill the gap or not. So here we can bounce higher and balance somewhere here, or we can get lower and lower, and it depends if we create excess here. We can move higher, rejecting yesterday's range or yesterday's value, or we can start moving lower back to value from it was Monday. So another scenario is that we for example fail early around overnight low and get back into yesterday's range, then we will start trading inside yesterday. So it depends if we can get higher or not, and well, this should be the second scenario. So we can fade either from here and balance out around yesterday's low, or we can fade this move and balance around this area. So overall I think that think that our value today will be lower, and for example, if we are going to I don't know why it's so big. I think that the value, that the profile might look like this, but if we break overnight low, then chances are lower that we will break overnight high. We are kind of in between 2 days, so probably some good opportunities ahead of us. We can make move back into range of either of those days, or we can reject from them, so this should present really decent trading today.